Hey there, Titans. Today I'm going to show you how to use the in clause using get from Salesforce query in Form Titan. So let's see what we have here. So we have a lookup field to search for an account. After we get the account, we're going to select all the contacts under that account, and we're going to get all the cases that are related for any of the contacts that we received from the account, and we're going to get the tasks from the contacts that are related to that account as well. So let's see how we do this. So in the get, our first get is based on our search account field, the lookup field. And one thing to pay attention to, in order to use these contacts in an in clause, we cannot map anything from the contacts that we retrieved. And we're getting all the contacts that are under that account, and I limited it here to 100. And then what we're doing is we're going to select that all the contact IDs that are in our list of contacts that we received. And then our mapping, we're just mapping it to a Salesforce table. We map some fields, the case number, the contact ID, and the full name from the contact ID, and the status and the priority. And the task, we're doing practically the same thing. Go into our conditions. We're selecting the name ID. This is the who ID, which can be either a lead or a contact on the task. We're selecting all the name IDs that are in our list of contacts using the contact ID, and we've mapped some fields. And this is also an interesting part. So when we choose the name ID can be either a lead or a contact. So Form Titan gives us an option to choose what is, in our case, the name ID. In our case is a contact, and then it will give us all the contact fields, and we're mapping the full name. And assigned to ID is always a user. We're mapping the full name. And the due date, priority, status, and comments. Let's see how it does. So let's publish this form. Search for an account. Choose this guy. And we get all the cases that are related to the contacts that under that account. And we get all the events for the contacts, for any of the contacts that are under that account. Let's take a look in Salesforce. I'll head over to the account. See that we have a bunch of contacts. And if I'll go into any of these contacts, and I'll add a task, give it a due date, and assign to. Let's assign it to someone else. Security user, and hit save. Refresh this form, search it again, and we have the task for Avi Green assigned to security user, subject, and the status. And this is how you do it. Have fun.